make a checklist, all these things I need to do today. These are not that important, but then you still need to do it someday or the other. So today was a free day. I thought I'll finish all this work. Anyways, welcome back to the channel guys. What's up guys? Kaise ho? I hope everyone is doing great. Already let's start striking up the checklist one by one, but before that something more important. Before anything else, how can we forget Hamara tiffin box? It's been so long since we mentioned it. Thing is, in all these recent trips and all that, diet kind of went down a little bit, but now we are back to business. Everyday workout is going next level, and also diet is on track. Oh shit, Hamara oats is almost khatam. We need to get that as well. Some whey protein, and last but not the least, the most important ingredient of all, the peanut butter. No, today we'll not use this one. We'll use the original classic flavor today. Already I don't have oats and I dropped it. Chalo, exactly 40 grams of oats, 60 grams of whey protein. It's not necessary you should have 60 grams of whey protein, but it depends on your fitness goals and all that. Oh, by the way, I'm using Pintola's peanut butter. You get different flavors in it. This is the original classic flavor, but there is one more very interesting flavor. It is the dark chocolate crunchy. It is amazing. You can add it to your dosa. You can add it to your bread. Oh my god, it makes everything much more delicious. You can take this in the morning as well, but I prefer taking this kind of stuff in the evening because my work demands me to be out. I keep traveling. It is readily available and it doesn't spoil. 9.5 out of 10. Oh, by the way, a quick tip. Apart from oats and all that, you can make other recipes as well. You can make beautiful smoothies. You just need 3 ingredients. Take a cup of milk. You can add some crushed banana pulp. And then the secret ingredient, the dark chocolate Pintola peanut butter. And there you go. You have a simple yet power-packed meal. It is loaded with good quality proteins, nice fiber for good digestion, and very good unsaturated fats. And I personally prefer Pintola's peanut butter because it's made from export quality peanut, which is directly procured from the farmers. When you're at home, it is easy to get all your nutrients right. But when you're someone like me who travels a lot and there are challenging times where you don't find a perfect dhaba or a restaurant to stop and eat, what we do is we just stop by the side, open the tiffin box, add some hot water, have this power packed meal and just leave. It will keep you running for at least 3-4 ghanta. This is one more nice product that I use. These are the Pintola whole grain brown rice cakes. For the calorie conscious, it is just 30 calories each. Once again, I would like to add a little bit of peanut butter to it. We would add dark chocolate. Next level taste. Super amazing products from Pintola that are not only healthy but are as delicious, and you don't feel like you're compromising on food. I definitely, strongly, wholeheartedly, I recommend you to try Pintola products. They are worth it. I'll be sharing all the links in the description as well. Let's put all this aside. Let's start working on our checklist. Sriman, conserve energy. Oh, by the way, I'll be very honest. I'm in love with the Street Twin right now. After changing the handlebar, somehow I really wanted to ride it more and more. But definitely not today. It looks like it's gonna rain. The reason I need to go to IKEA is to return this. There's a small kitchen shelf where you put vessels and all that. Mom and dad got this recently, but somehow they didn't find use to it. They thought they can put it in one of the shelves, but it is not fitting in that shelf. So we'll go return this. Uske pehle we have a lot of other check boxes to tick. By the way, there is a freaking spider living inside my car. If this was a Street Twin, I understand, I don't take it out much. But Seltos ko to, I'm trying to take it out. Yesterday I took it out. This is not acceptable. Ants live in my bike. Spiders live in my car. What is happening, bro? If you get used to all this 360 cameras and sensors and all that, it is definitely going to be a task to drive a normal car without these sensors. But what to do? Most of the new cars are getting this, so I think moving ahead in future, we need not be so skilled to reverse a car. How can I forget you? You're the most important object in my life. Task number 1. What do we need to do? Oh yes, I need to go to the Triumph showroom and get my old accessories of the Street Twin. I don't want it lying there. Our सबसे important task is for the last while coming back. Please remind me that, right? We have to do that for sure. That is the most important task of all of this. But we have to do it last because it is while coming back home. What is that important task? I'll tell you. Very exciting thing for me. ट्रैफिक तो शुरू हो गया. Like I told you, everything is back to normal. Like next level traffic. And I can see already blood red lines. Bike is definitely better in the evenings in the city. But then I told you it is gonna rain right now. Again, sun is out. Still, I couldn't take the bike because we have some things to carry with me. So next task after Triumph is going to BMW. Today we're gonna do kind of showroom hopping. And BMW, you remember I left my lights, the Clearwater lights. I wanted to get it back. I want to keep everything with me. Yeah. Once the bracket comes, we'll take the lights and the bracket together and then fit it. By the way, one of my favorite cars, Samne. Okay, reach the Triumph showroom. Now let's go get these Street Twins parts. Street Twins old parts. Okay, there are 4 of our subscribers here. 5th subscriber. By the way, you know who are these guys? Sriman Kotara _ memes, one of the admins.
Yeah. Pranavik, Harivik, Lokesh.
All are from Vijayawada. They were just passing by. It seemed they saw my car and they stopped. And they gave me a beautiful photo frame. This is this guy. Hi. Actual parent? Kundan. Thank you so much for your work, buddy. Means a lot.
ఇంకా ఎవడన్నా ఇట్లా వచ్చేటోని
Complicated కొంచెం. Okay, look who is here.
వాట్స్ అప్
Archit, after a long time. Do you guys even remember who is Archit? I thought forgot.
లాంగ్ టైమ్
One of the guys who wanted to get a Seltos. Where is the Seltos, dude?
so basically the thing is I'm shifting my house.
Oh,
I don't have,
mad.
What's up?
What's up, Aras? Kaira.
so I'm gonna be shifting to another house.
Oh, so new house, new car, naya gaadi, naya ghar.
అట్లాంటి కానీ డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇప్పుడు సెటిల్స్ తీసుకోవాలా లేదా.
నయా లడికి
Naya ladki.
అరే అది నువ్వు కదా కొత్త
By the way, who is next? You or you?
ఈడే అనికి వస్తున్నాయి అండి.
వస్తున్నాయి బాగా వస్తున్నాయి. ఫస్ట్ జాబ్ ఇస్ డన్. Triumph showrooms I got my old Street Twin parts. Second important, not important, but chota task need to do. Need to go to BMW and pick up my Clearwater lights. Let's do that. Thank you, Adi. Thank you, Archit, for helping me out with this porter services. Huh?
Water. Sir,
I'll give you a good tip. Don't worry.
Good tip.
I'll give you one coffee party.
నేను కాఫీ తాగనన్నారా?
Arey, yes. What do you want? Hot chocolate?
I want triple chocolate
Waffle.
Belgium waffle.
Ratira, rendu dinno. It is impossible to leave IKEA without shopping. I thought I'll just give it back. Okay, exchange. This guy wanted to buy something. Now if I go up, Bakka I'll also buy something.
అదంతే.
వీడిని ఇందుకే పట్టుకురాము.
అరే
అన్ని ఇలాంటి లెక్కలు చేస్తుండే IKEA గురించి.
ఐఎమ్ రేడెన్ రా. రేడెన్ ఫ్రమ్ మోడల్ కాంబాట్.
నాకు వేరే బూతులు వస్తున్నాయి. This is the best section of IKEA. Lighting. All of us like it.
ఇది కూడా బాగుంది.
Archit likes it. Aditya likes it. I like it. You can spend time here and you can vlog here nicely with a lot of lighting. Thanks guys. Thanks for helping me out.
ఏంది చిల్లర్ సామాన్.
Lot of chiller pani today. What next? Qmart. Grocery shopping. I'll give them the list. I'll take half the list. Please help me out. Oh, by the way, Aditya is nowadays. Sriman got a GSA. He started boasting about it in every video. Aditya got a 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro.
Actually ఇందాక తీసాడు.
Not even iPhone 12 Pro. If I waited na, 13 is coming soon.
No.
అంటే అక్కడ వచ్చేటోళ్ళు అవును 13 రిలీజ్ అయ్యారు అట్లా అంటే 14.
Look at the clarity, mama.
చూడు అసలు
ఇదే పనిలో ఉన్నాడు పొద్దు నుంచి. ఎక్కగానే అరే 12 Pro లోరా ఇట్లుందిరా, అరే 12 Pro లోరా, అరే నేను రేంజ్ గురించి చెప్పినట్టు BGSA లో ఇటు 12 Pro గురించి కెమెరా గురించి చెప్తూనే ఉంటాడు.
నువ్వు ఎన్ని రోజులు చెప్పినావు సోనీ ఆల్ఫా గురించి?
ఇప్పుడు కూడా చెప్తా.
మరి
నో లైట్ హియర్ బట్ వి స్టిల్ గివింగ్ అమేజింగ్ క్లారిటీ.
అంటే
ఇట్ ఇస్ వర్త్ ఇట్ బ్రో.
కానీ నిజం చెప్పాలంటే డిస్కౌంట్
we got 12 Pro for very good mad discount.
ఆ డిస్కౌంట్ ఓనికి రాదు.
Not even Tim Cook will get that discount. మళ్ళీ కార్ట్ తో వస్తున్నా. ఆదిత్య కార్ట్. అరే ఆదిత్యకార్ట్.com. ఆది కార్ట్ మ్యాడ్ కార్ట్.
చిన్నప్పుడు ఇట్లా పోతుంది.
జస్ట్ మిస్. అరే కంటెంట్ వచ్చేవారు ఎందుకు చెప్పారా? Once again, thank you people. for helping me with shopping.
Hey, smells.
Too much shopping. We got all kind of junk.
Cheers.
ఆల్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్
Doritos.
ఏ లే సింబల్
Cheers.
కూడా మారిపోయింది ఇక్కడ.
Sweetie, this is something that I really like. This is called Coke vanilla flavor. You don't get it easily. So this is the reason I like to come to Q-Mart. How is it?
It's good.
స్మెల్
And అన్నీ వేస్తాడు వీడు. When you're tasting wine,
Nice.
ఏమేమి చేస్తావు తెలుసా నువ్వు? స్మెల్ చూస్తావు, టేస్ట్
నువ్వేం చేస్తావు మాకు తెలియదు, మేమైతే టేస్ట్ చేస్తాం అంతే.
అంటే
ఇట్లా తిప్పుతావు. చాలు క్యాలరీస్ వస్తాయి మళ్ళీ నీకు.
అరే జీరకాయలు కాదు ఇది.
మర్చిపోయినా వెనీలా అంత క్యూట్ గా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎన్ని క్యాలరీస్?
ఓ షిట్, షుగర్. వాట్ అది అన్ని ఇట్లనే ఫ్లాప్ చేస్తావు నాకు.
ఫ్లాపా?
కోక్ ఫ్రూట్ తాగిన ఫీలింగ్ వస్తుంది
కదా?
అవును.
It is
బాగుంది,
nice.
చాలా బాగుంది.
If you get it, try it out. It is really really good.
ఆర్ క్యూమార్ట్, కమ్ టు క్యూమార్ట్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు ముంబై వాడు హైదరాబాద్ రాలేదుగా, ఢిల్లీ వాడు హైదరాబాద్
అంటే
రాలేదు.
ఇక్కడ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు
Lays and all, we don't have luck to eat all that.
Edra.
By the way, now plan is to go to Seasons.
ఈట్ సమ్ రియల్లీ గుడ్.
Plan is to go. Are we going? Pakka.
వి ఆర్ గోయింగ్ హ్యావ్ సమ్.
That we can eat aram se. One important thing I have to do is order a cake for Naisha at Konsu.
Birthday
Naisha's
puta.
birthday is on Saturday, dude.
నెక్స్ట్ సాటర్డే కదా?
Which Saturday?
అదే.
This coming Saturday. That is the most important thing I have to do out of all of the stupid work that I've done.
కొడతారు అది చేయకపోతే.
Aditya is continuing to flaunt his 12 Pro.
మీరు రా వేసేది, నేను కాదు.
He's talking about the cases, the MagSafe cases.
If anybody who manufactures or who deals with cases, please send few.
We want Apple original, okay? We don't want third party.
పర్లేదు, I am fine. You want, I don't want.
Only thing is 12 Pro ka cases, leather cases 6,500
Yeah.
rupees. More happier moment. Seasons Express.
ఏయ్ రెండు లెగ్స్ ఇచ్చాడు.
Adi, react. Chide, react.
एक प्लेट दे देना. This is beautiful.
That's nice. Okay, final task of the day. We have to do the most important task of the day. Go get the cake. Not now, but I have to order the cake. Naisha's birthday is in the next 2 days. Unfortunately, once again, COVID. We cannot have a gathering and all that. I mean, maybe you can have as per rules and all that, but we are not comfortable doing that, especially when you have a kid. And especially when you've gone through all that COVID shit and all that. Unfortunately, even her first birthday was not celebrated. Kya karna yaar? COVID everywhere. Even that time it was COVID. Abhi bhi second wave happened. Hopefully third wave doesn't come. It shouldn't be coming. So we are planning to do something like a house party or something like that. Maybe we'll just call Pooja's parents and my parents. That's it. So Abhi, to let's go order the cake. We just went into the cake store. Unfortunately, they don't take customized orders, it seems. I wanted a specific shape. Here in this branch, they don't do it. Tomorrow I'll have to visit one more branch. But I really like this place. It's called Konsu. They make some amazing next level cakes in Hyderabad. I think I'll give them rank 1. So I think it's worth waiting and going and ordering tomorrow. I think I can even call an order. So you see, this is how life is. The most important work from morning, I'm telling, the most important work wasn't done. I mean, I wanted to do it. It didn't happen. Kya karna? So let's go home now.